As you saw earlier, numerous vehicles went through the water. However, at this point, nobody could cross it because the water pressure was so intense because the water level starts to rise. And so everybody waited. Everybody that was there on each end waited. And the traffic line got longer and longer. It was something to experience, and it was a difficult experience, but impactful at the same time. So this is the
Yes,
second
baby. Look at the people.
body
Business
of
are
water
here,
in
here,
the
Can't
road
cross, man.
that we
I
had
penny, me
to
a penny it. Go left, go. You
cross,
understand?
and this was two of
Yes,
three
baby.
because we had to overcome three
Yes, my baby.
bodies of water to actually get to where we wanted to go.
Thanks.
Yeah. So this was the third body of water in the road. So persons were at a standstill trying to figure out how to cross this one, as this water level was also high. Because the angle at which we're looking at it, this side was has a lot more water than the left side.
The one that top and the one that could run. And the one that could run. Lord Jesus. Why do you want that one this one?
A bad part there, so them other how quite happening for driving. You know so strong, you know?
This is where we took our chance.
I want one outside the back road. I want me outside. Hey, me never tell her not to cross it. Why you not listen to me? Jesus Christ, how are you, so? Come now, driver, let me get you come through, man. We're not going to join off all our winner. Come, man. Driver, me want to go, sir.
So we not come through.
God, this a bus and a move.
You know me. I don't want to come through, but because in here.
Some driver really not no sense. You have to listen to me, you know, man. Me say no got you. Some driver really.
That motorist wasn't so successful as the vehicle had encountered some damage. Engine was shut off, and she and the rest of our passengers had to be maneuvering a way out. Yeah.
No, if your mama drawn off, you know.
Nothing on do your mommy, Jesus. Oh, sir.
At this point, we were so thankful because the passengers could go home, and then we get to pick up our boys from school. You know, sometimes as parents, we have to go above and beyond for our children. And it is very important that we take good care of them because they have a future. And when we are gone, they have to fend for themselves. Yeah.